Check this out, guys. It's a big drone. Same type to come back. I haven't even had a chance to set it, guys. I just started filming. I probably don't see from this. I'm in the middle of a rural Thailand on the back road now. But it looks like they're running. I just went past and see the flash in the roof. There we go. I think that's fertilizer he's just put into it. Two different types of stuff he's put into it. Very in the middle of the street. I can't see that. Isn't that cool? A good use of the drone. Look at you, this is great. Can I film? Check this dude out. He's big. Look at the size of that. And he's got fertilizer pellets there. And something else, there's two things I put in. And this is a rice paddy. And I was just riding past and I saw this thing back here. And I saw this thing and then how amazing is that? And now we use fertilizer.